On 17 July, the show released. I was there in the season 1. And I thought, chalo, ho gaya. But next day, from 18 July, I was getting 5,000 phone calls daily. Who doesn't want a beautiful girl or a good-looking boy?
My wife didn't want a beautiful man.
This show has been popular in 200 countries.
200 countries.
200 countries, and everybody, even the non-Indians are watching.
So let us ask the big question, ladies and gentlemen. Seema ji, आपकी सोच, आपके विचार क्या है? Love versus arranged marriage.
It depends on person to person.
क्या बात है? What an answer!
सीमा जी, 1 इंच हाइट दिस लड़की की कम है. अभी भी वो
क्या करेगा?
अभी भी है.
Is there any off day for Seema Taparia? Or are you always working?
I work, you all work for 24 hours,
Yeah.
I work for 25 hours.
This is
People
good for
don't
me.
have patience.
हाँ.
थोड़ा भी नहीं हुआ तो सीमा जी, what is this? अरे?
अभी 2 हफ्ते हो गए. Where's my wife?
Yes, सही बात है.
All right, it's called Cyrus Says, और लगता है कि I've said this many times before, but we've got a huge famous name here today. Such a huge famous name कि बहुत प्रेशर है इस शो में. I've been told कि इस शो के बाद sponsors will just line up. Because we've got the biggest name on the internet, Seema Taparia, in the show here. And Seema ji, पहला प्रश्न है कि I have had a marriage तो हो गया मेरा personal, ना arranged था ना love marriage, मेरा let's call it incidental marriage था,
Okay.
by chance. So the third form of marriage. So later on in the show, I'm hoping कि सीमा जी helps me also look at this marriage or perhaps look at the market और दोबारा देख सकते हैं कि परिस्थिति क्या है, आगे जा सकते हैं हम लोग और कुछ कर सकते हैं, लाइफ पार्टनर मिल सकते हैं, वो सब वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. In the meantime, let's go back to how the birth of this legend, which is in 2020. Seema ji, I heard for the first time my wife calling me. She said idiot, which is how she calls me प्यार से, and she made me lie down on the bed, not for any good things, just to look at the TV on the internet. She had found on Netflix a show called Indian Matchmaking. I said, I don't want to watch. She said, 2 minutes देखो. So we watched it, and we never stopped watching.
Binge watching.
Binge watching, matlab we watched season 1, season 2, and we are WhatsApp groups formed in your name.
Yes.
You are that big, you have no idea, I think, how
Yes.
big you are sometimes.
Yes.
It became like a cult thing. And your name is a reference we use everywhere, you know, Seema Didi, Seema Ji, Seema this. It's become like part of folklore.
But why didn't you meet me 3 years then if you were so much, I mean, you loved the show and you actually...
आपका husband को भी मालूम पड़ेगा इसमें कि I don't have the influence यार.
Hey, please.
Influence एक चीज़ है life में. Without influence you can't meet famous people.
No.
Try किया.
I'm the same Seema Taparia what I was before.
We met you actually
That's all.
1 week before this recording at an event. Sunday brunch. India में brunch क्या होता है पता नहीं, because anyway people come late for breakfast and late for lunch. So
That
brunch
is
का
in the
concept
middle.
मर गया है बीच में. There's no point having a brunch.
Yeah.
So only we were there first. Ma'am, you came late, huh? Or early, depending on what you're looking at.
Little early.
हाँ, little early.
1:59.
1:15 पे आ गया फिर. शर्म की बात है. Never do that again for a brunch. मैं तो 12 बजे गया वहाँ पे. Me and the waiters laid the tables, put them out and all. It was so embarrassing. Anyway, so let's start. We have to start at the beginning here because we don't know enough about the origin. कि सीमा टपारिया को क्यों choose किया, कैसे choose किया, ये idea कहाँ से आए exactly? How did the origin of Indian matchmaking happen?
Okay. Cyrus, I am a matchmaker since 2005. As
Life में, असली में.
Real में.
Because people should know that you are actually a matchmaker. Some people think it's not.
actually matchmaker, and now the work has become 5 times more after the show.
I can imagine.
So from 2005, I'm a matchmaker, and Jagmohan Mundra from US, he's a film director.
Yes.
Yes. Unki daughter Smriti Mundra, they had come for her match to me.
हाँ.
Marwadis hai, and we are related also. So they came to me. And then when she saw everything, she got an idea. Just she had started how to, she had done a course of directing a movie. She came to me and then she saw कि मुझे भी ये बनाना है ऐसी documentary. And then she approached me कि दीदी, I want to make a documentary. I said, चलो chance अच्छा है, चलो कुछ ना कुछ तो अपना होगा नाम. Yeah, something is good is going to happen. So I allowed her to direct me.
Documentary on the culture of matchmaking.
That you must see a suitable girl.
अरे मैं कितने सारे suitable girls देखे हैं लाइफ में, but it's not worked out यार.
No. This is a suitable girl, and she made a documentary 4 years on me. And when my daughter got married in 2014, the documentary was finished at that time. And that won an award in Tribeca Film Festival, New York.
तो एक मिनट, तो ये Suitable Girl एक documentary है which is only on you.
Me, my daughter, and 2 more girls.
Oh, okay.
So now it's not there. When you go to US, it's on Amazon Prime. In Netflix, 7 years it was in
दोनों को
India.
तारीफ कैसे कर सकते हैं? We have to make up our mind here.
Yes, you have to see that. And really, the millions of people have watched that documentary.
Huh.
After that, when they saw Netflix got an idea, why not we make a reality show on this, taking Seema Taparia, and it is an untouched topic. And we have to make a reality show on this. And then they approached me. They got the idea that we have to make this. Because in that documentary, I'm a matchmaker. I'm seeing my daughter's prospect for my daughter. Many things are there, my social life and all.
मैंने देखा बाद में. First season के बाद मैंने देखा. Yes.
Achha, you saw it?
Yes,
Yeah.
I've seen it,
Now
I've seen
it's
it,
not
I've
there.
seen it.
In 6 months, it has gone from Netflix. So the whole world has watched this documentary. And then when they got the idea, they approached me. Then I was little in 2 minds whether I should do or no. Then when they approached and they said, "Nahi, Seema ji, we want to take you and do it." Then I thought, okay. And just, Cyrus, I had the thought, every 4 shows comes every month in Netflix and they go.
Correct.
Mera bhi aayega, mera bhi chala jayega. I thought,
Life का philosophy है.
I never dreamt that the show will go across the world. It will be amazing, one of its kind. And the show has rocked the world. And on 17 July, the show released. I was there in the season 1. And I thought, chalo, ho gaya. But next day, from 18 July, I was getting 5,000 phone calls daily.
My God.
It crashed the internet. Share market, first time in the history. It stopped for 15 minutes and they took my interview thrice a day. First time in the
इसका
history.
मतलब भी even stockbrokers want to get married.
No, but there on COVID only one topic in everybody's house. Indian matchmaking and Seema Taparia and Netflix, that's all. Because in COVID, everybody was khali and they
सीमा
just has
जी,
to watch it. That's
I
all.
heard कि government delegates भी जब ये G20 जब चालू है ना और दुनिया में इंडिया में हर कोने पे है, they always mention this as a opening conversation.
Okay.
Have you seen Indian matchmaker? Because that's what other foreign delegates also know about.
Yeah,
Because they're very interested in our culture.
Everywhere, even the VCs, even in many businesses, everywhere they take my concept.
This is what I'm saying, Seema ji. We have not, Anup who's sitting here, your husband should take cognizance of this fact. We should be paid for this. And when I say we, एक team हो गया.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Because they're opening doors and doing business, they're doing politics, they're getting faida out of all this, and
Ekdam.
nothing comes to you. It's on your name.
Yeah.
Your name is uniting
But in
people.
the COVID, every restaurants, kitne ad ban gaye sab free of cost on my name. In every restaurant, 3 things in COVID. That Seema Taparia is from Mumbai. That tagline, it became world famous. Wherever they say, Arey, Seema Taparia from Mumbai is going, they tell the full sentence. Arey, Seema Taparia is going. Because I tell I'm Seema Taparia from Mumbai, and that's a famous tagline that people recognize me by that, and it's become world famous. So the show is amazing. It was beyond my dreams. It was one of its kind.
But
I gave my Indian values in that, Cyrus, and that my Indian values made me a star.
अच्छा, now you mentioned it, तो तारीफ करना पड़ेगा इसमें, because initially we were looking what is this show, is it making fun of the arranged marriage thing, is it going to go in that direction, but we found you to be very warm and genuine, which we started enjoying a lot.
People love me in that.
Yeah, and the response of the, what do you call them, the candidates जो है आपके सामने जो है, you're always looking at from both sides, also trying to figure it out, because there's a lot of, I won't say karma, but there's a lot of baggage involved, etc. And you have to be very careful. It's a life sentence for some people.
Yeah, but it's my work, my goodwill, why people come to me. I think like my son and daughter, and I'm a very genuine thing. People said, we loved you, Seema, in the show because you were humble, you were genuine. So we loved you in the show.
Yeah.
And since childhood, I had dreamt that I wanted from the people love and respect. So in the show, I got love and respect because my work, my passionate towards my work gave me love and respect, and fame was the byproduct what I got.
But I want to ask you, so when they come and talk to you, पहला season में जो है, then you obviously get close to the person. Let's say from the bride side, they've come and approached you and whatever. When it doesn't work out, if it doesn't work out, then what happens to you and the person? Do you all continue to stay in touch?
Nothing. If they want, I give them services, or it's okay then. Yeah.
And if it does work out, then what happens? Do you still stay in touch after that? Because you become like a family member.
We become like a family member. We are connected. So then after that also people like to call me. Then I go for their weddings because it's such a pleasure to go to the wedding because they give me divine blessings. कि सीमा जी आपके थ्रू हुआ है, but I say no. Everything it's finalized in the ऊपर जोड़ियाँ ऊपर से बन के आती है.
You are the
I'm just
messenger.
a messenger. I'm just a mediator. That's all.
Fair enough.
But I get divine blessings.
But you should take 10% for life, I feel. After all, if the marriage, if it works, I mean, come on, yaar. Sorry,
it is there, but मेरा एक बड़ापन है ना, when I say no, everything is finalized ना. अगर it is not finalized through me, then वो नहीं होगा. That's the thing. Mediator भगवान ने बना के भेजा है मुझे. Then it happens.
Let's go back to the first season. What are the best moments that stand out for you? If you have to recollect, which are the challenging moments and the best moments where you felt भी अभी क्या बोलो, क्या करो इस situation में?
नहीं, see, Netflix has kept me like in the hand with such good treatments, staying, traveling. So I was very happy. And the clients, what they were mine, I saw first time because it's a reality show.
But what we see on TV, you've not spoken to them before.
No, they are first time.
Yeah,
that is the thing. That is the beauty. And it's not easy to come on Netflix. Netflix scans, filters, background check. Then Netflix takes as a client. आप सोचोगे अरे चलो मेरे को भी जाना है. So many people come, Seema aunty, I want to be in Netflix. But it's not easy to come. If 50 I give clients, Netflix will choose only one out of that.
Right.
It's very difficult to come in that. They see their background check, they see how they talk, camera shy hai ki nahi. Many things are there in that. And then they choose in that.
Right.
Yeah.
But do you decide that? Are you part of that?
No.
कि इससे better लगेगा
No. Just I give my clients and then Netflix, they उनसे personal बात करेंगे phone से. They'll ask their advocate, lawyer, and then they will talk to their parents. Many steps they have to cross and then they're
what we like about the 2 seasons is you go all over the world also.
Yeah.
And because this is the great thing about Indians is that mix of traditional and modern. So we have liberal, progressive or whatever and still conservative at the same time. You know, where we stick to the marriage.
I go personally and I meet like on 16th I'm flying to Kathmandu.
Wow.
Then recently I'd gone to Jaipur. I see the girl, boy, the standard, the way. I ask their criteria.
कितना काम करते हैं सीमा जी? You're a huge legend now.
It's not easy.
Five junior Seema should be there now, no? Who have to go there? Junior Seema, Kathmandu.
Your work is easy, I think so.
मेरा काम क्या है? As long as I don't throw water on the guests, I think everything is okay. That's our standard.
It's not easy actually.
So actually success has made you work 15 times more.
Yes, that's the thing. And to get two minds together, it's not an easy task. Yeah.
And there's never guarantee also, no?
No guarantee.
As your show shows us from time to time.
No guarantee. How can I take guarantee?
But
उनके पेरेंट्स नहीं ले सकते तो how can I take guarantee?
I'm sure you've heard this, but exactly, इसमें amazing चीज क्या है कि when we are watching it, it's like watching football or watching a reality show with teams, na? We start getting invested in that person and hoping that they go for this guy or not for this guy, or go for this girl or not for this girl. Did you realize that it becomes such a complex and deep?
Yes. Many people told हमारे ऑफिस में यही डिस्कशन चलता है of Indian matchmaking. I said then when do you work then? बोला everywhere in US जहाँ भी जाऊँ बोला we have a group and we always
responsible for economic slowdown.
सही में बोला we discuss अरे उसका क्या हुआ इसका क्या हुआ means people are so engrossed and they are so liking the show कि then they make you told as WhatsApp groups and all are made and just they discuss about the characters of the show.
Suddenly everybody, it's amazing how they have become stars.
Yes, and even they have become popular stars.
My daughter Maya is a huge fan of yours. She's 16 years old. She has seen everything, knows everything by heart, knows. See, I can't remember names of people and all. She remembers all the names and just immediately says, iska ye ho, iska nahi ho payega, whatever. Everything is in her head. So you have created a multiverse almost of all this happening in the background.
This show has been popular in 200 countries.
200 countries.
200 countries and everybody, even the non-Indians are watching.
Yeah. But also for them, many of them are thinking ki if I had met Seema ji, I could have married someone else. That's also the thinking that's going through their minds. And the amazing thing is, while watching as a married couple, and I'm sure people who are married couples who watch, you start questioning yourself when the conversation is going on. Ki isme ye quality hai, usme ye quality hai, isme jamega, nahi jamega. Because you have very candid conversations, let's be frank, for those who've not seen it.
I scan and I filter and then I match them.
Yeah. And you ask them open questions, which I think think it's very good
Yes,
because
we
you
have to, we
face
have
up
to.
the reality
Yeah,
of
yeah,
this,
yeah.
that, and the other in the personality.
I am the way I am, no sugar coating, nothing. जो सही है वो बताना है.
Like
That's
if they are willing to live with the family or not. These are
Not.
big issues people don't even think of till suddenly they fuss out in a marriage.
Yeah.
And you have to deal with it. But you don't pass judgment. That's another. How do you manage to stay in that middle area where you're just saying कि practicality सोचो इसमें, can you or can you not? You're not saying you should or you shouldn't.
बट आई पास मेनी टाइम्स क्योंकि बोलना भी पड़ेगा ना. आपको तो यही मिलेगा, आपको 60-70% मिलेगा. 100% तो किसी को मिला नहीं आज तक. इफ 60-70% इन अ चेकलिस्ट इज ओके, यू शुड प्रोसीड. आई हैव टू टेल देम आल्सो.
So Pappu pass हो गया on 65%.
60.
It's a mathematical equation. But let's ask the one elephantish in the room question, as we say, which is how important are looks?
You see, who doesn't want a beautiful girl or a good looking boy?
My
आप
wife
बताइए.
didn't want a beautiful man.
बहुत कम हो सकता है. 1% हो सकता है वर्ल्ड में. If any mother-in-law, this is of Indian thinking I'm telling, not about abroad.
Yes.
Any mother-in-law will बोलेगी क्या सीमा जी, I don't want a good looking बहू. कोई बोलेगा ये बात? Everybody says.
But if she's...
It's the Indian mentality है. We cannot help for that. और जैसे they come with their things, I mean criteria, I have to work for them. My job is to work for them. तो वो बोलेंगे I want a good looking बहू, तो I have to give for them good looking बहू.
And good looking, that fair wears, वो सब अभी
Fair
भी
भी
है ना?
चाहिए, good looking चाहिए. But I tell, you see the family background, that is very important. You see that her behavior, her heart and all. Beauty is 1/10 of an inch. ठीक है, she should be smart and presentable. But ऐसा नहीं कि ज़्यादा ब्यूटी पे जाए and other qualities are zero. Those qualities also matter, other qualities also.
Right.
But अभी मैं after my, I'll tell you, Cyrus, what the world is saying. After Indian matchmaking, youngsters are changing their thinking, their thought process. तो I am some help to the world, to the community, to the society. वो change कर रहे हैं अब youngsters कि no, Seema aunty is saying इतना मिलेगा, तो we have to go this way. Now little the thought process is changing.
Also एक school of thought भी है कि arrange और love marriage में क्या फर्क है end of the day. Because end of the day you're just making decisions. Whether you're making it collectively or on your own कि इसके साथ हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है, what you like, what you don't like, what qualities are both sharing in common, etc. What problem areas are there and all that. It comes to the same thing. In a way, by addressing it from outside first, you don't have to wait 2 years of the marriage. Correct me if I'm wrong.
No, in arranged marriage, the two families are involved. That is
Right.
important.
Right.
If anything go wrong, the families are there for you for the support. That's the thing.
So it's like the court system, the high
Yeah,
court hai.
yeah.
And then you can go there and appeal.
There and two personalities, somebody's getting, somebody's there in the middle, some mediator is there. Because if anything happens, then they are questionable to the mediator. So I feel arranged marriage is relevant and it's a popular method that I can tell. Yeah.
Also, I noticed कि I don't know if Netflix has done this correct purposely or whatever. You've gone way out of the Marwadi clan. It's gone all over to all types. You're mixing and matching. So arranged marriage जब modern ज़माना में अलग है. In the sense, before it was all about people staying in their sub communities and all. But the way we are seeing, at least up to season 2, it's like, especially when you go to America and different countries.
There it is not a community problem. Is not.
They're
there
lucky to
actually.
find a desi. It's like, ठीक है. As
Desi
long as
है
they're
तो
Indian.
चलेगा. But in India still it is there.
Yeah.
Because what happens, there is an advantage, I'll tell you. In the same community, the thought process, the food habits or the way of living, that the girl, she doesn't have to adjust so much. वो एक फर्क होता है. But in love marriage everything चलता है, so there's no problem. They have to adjust in that.
तो let us ask the big question, ladies and gentlemen. सीमा जी, आपकी सोच, आपके विचार क्या है love versus arranged marriage?
It depends on person to person.
क्या बात है? What an answer! ना हाँ ना ना. So you're not saying कि ये सही है, ये सही नहीं है.
It depends.
Never
किसको
seen
love
that.
marriage करना है तो थोड़ी मैं बोलूँगी नहीं arrange करो. It depends on that. They have to adjust then. ठीक है, जो भी है फैमिली का होगा, कोई स्टेइंग, कोई थॉट प्रोसेस, कोई फूड हैबिट्स या मेनी कल्चरल थिंग्स एंड ऑल, they are ready to accept. It's okay.
Can I ask slightly now personal question about the shooting style? ये Netflix लोग जो है producers वगैरह, people in the background, do they try to tell you कि try and get them to be together, या try and get them to not be together? Do they give a
Nothing,
brief?
not a single dialogue.
Fully, so what we see is fully Seema.
Just the camera, how the camera is following here, that's
ये
all.
कैमरा तो बंद था.
बंद है तो ठीक है रे बाबा. So just the camera is following. I'm talking to the clients. I'm just conversing everything. We don't even see, just the camera is following. Not a single dialogue is there. Whatever it's coming, the Indian values and all, they have showed me as a typical Indian lady in the show. And my Indian values, just I'm telling them, that's all. Netflix has not given me a single dialogue to talk. Not to anybody.
Fair enough.
It's all total reality.
I think the show is completely Seema. You can change the show to Seema Didi or whatever, and you'll get the same response. Without you, there'll be no show. Let's be completely honest about that. And that's because of your unique style. वो tangible property या intangible property है वो मैं कह नहीं सकता है, but basically it's difficult to explain. But your unique style of dealing with people, etc. So now when you come back as Seema, the legendary star now, 2005 पे you were doing this business, but after season 1, then season 2, you're now on another level. So a lot of people, obviously, your phone 5,000 calls a day, etc. So now do they tell you, pressurize and see, मैंने देखा इस season में ये हुआ, I want something like this, like that girl, like that guy.
Very,
Those
very
references.
rare. Very rare. Some say I want that. उससे बात चलाओ मेरा. I have liked that girl. It's very rare.
And who do you think is now interested? The youngsters themselves want you. That's what I feel. The youngsters want you to come and...
The show is popular among everybody, but the youngsters are a huge fan.
Okay, before we go into the third season, which I don't know how much you're allowed to talk about. Third season got released at 21st April and 22nd April in India.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you personally, अगर मैं कर सकता दोबारा शादी तो is there anyone you can... I'll tell you my demands. I like very pretty. But age is not an issue for me. Anything between 19 and 60 is fine. I don't mind.
Okay.
Pretty is very important. And ज़्यादा बात नहीं करने का, because I feel कि that's my strong point. फिर मैं competitive लगेगा उसमें ना कि all the time she's also talking.
No, opposite poles attract. So it's nice. वो बात नहीं करेगी, तुम बात करोगे तो it's very nice.
Yes.
एकदम match हो जाएगा. Yeah.
Height, weight इतना important नहीं है.
Then what is important?
I should find her attractive. She should
And
not.
she should not talk.
She should not talk. Yeah.
Okay.
If not talk sounds really
Just
bad.
she should listen to you, that's all.
Listen to me.
हाँ.
And छोटी baat which I didn't know before marriage, like, towel on the bed is an issue.
हाँ.
And, dog on the bed is issue and all. I mean, what is the problem? Oh, AC off karo all the time. I mean, how can you
Sir,
live
there's too
without-
much of criteria, I think. What I tell in the show, 60% अगर आपका fulfill हुआ तो you can proceed.
35?
Too much of criteria you have, lots.
वो तो 60% सक्सेस की बात है, मगर just to avoid failing 40% is okay.
40% कर लो.
40%
अगर मिल जाए
से
तो it's
start
very
हो
nice.
जाएगा.
Yes.
फिर उसके बाद you can go up to 50-55.
Yes,
65.
you can.
Too much, yaar.
Send me your biodata.
हाँ.
We can work for that.
This will be free, no, Seema ji?
Yeah, for you it's free.
Super. So for me it's free. For the girl, we'll charge her.
No, देखेंगे वो तो.
God will charge her or we'll charge her. One of those.
We'll see.
Yeah. Okay. We have to go to season 3, but we'll take a quick break and bring Sparsh in. Then we'll talk about season 3.
Yeah.
Or here he is, young Sparsh, after the break.
Hey everyone, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. Listeners, presenting to you Club Vartalab, the premier tier offering for our podcast. Here you get a number of perks like access to extra bits and clips from the episodes, completely unfiltered, uncut and raw. The chance of watching or listening to the full episodes 2 days before the official release. And absolutely free of cost entry to the Vartalab Just Us live shows. That's right, stories in person. Occasional live streams of the episode tapings on YouTube, an exclusive members-only Telegram group with Akash and Naveen, and you also get your name on the producer slates at the very end credits of all the video episodes. So go to youtube.com/@Vartalab and click on the join button to become a member now. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by actress Mithila Palkar. They talk about her endeavors in mainstream acting, theatre and regional cinema. And we also get to hear her sing some beautiful songs for us. On Think Fast, Varun and Suchita are joined by Pranav Mani of Brain & Co. They talk about culture from a Gen Z perspective and what appeals to this generation. And on Vartalab, Naveen and Akash are joined by poet and writer Preeti Vangani. The trio talks about the different scams that are happening over the world and the problems with the society. Once again, do not forget to visit our merch store on ivmpodcast.com. We've got some super cool and exciting stuff over there for you and your loved ones. Follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. If you like our shows, then do not forget to spread the word. It really helps us a lot. And of course, don't forget to rate and review our shows on whatever platform you are listening to them. All our video shows are also available on youtube.com/IVM Podcasts. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Cash Repayments and HDFC Mutual Fund. Thank you so much for making this possible.
So, listen, we are making fun and pulling your leg and all that, but lot of
No,
respect.
where you're pulling your leg?
नहीं
My
lot of
leg.
respect.
नहीं,
because
सवाल ही नहीं है.
I was telling Spurs सुबह में हम breakfast के time breakfast में तो मिलते नहीं यहाँ पे, but we just use it as a समय breakfast time. We were discussing that you are your own genre.
Yeah.
Like it's Seema. It's Indian matchmaking is a separate genre. and it's
Matchmaking
only
as
you.
a concept is you. is
Yes.
not something that is
It's a
there
one-woman
or
show.
being done by anyone, or maybe being done by people, but nobody knows about this as a
Yeah.
genre, right?
Exactly.
See, this is going on thousands of years से चला आ रहा है. This is not it's a very old phenomena, matchmaking. ये बात है. Now it's coming again. क्योंकि US से many mothers have called me, Seema ji, after your show, my son is saying मेरे को तो arranged marriage करना है. Because in arranged marriage it's so easy. You give your criteria,
Yeah.
and that is fulfilled. First,
Really, यार.
बच्चे
As a
लोग
married man, I'm speaking. Sometimes I'm thinking maybe criteria से अगर चालू किया था शुरुआत में, there would have been a little,
Aisha, I'm
easier
sorry.
for everyone because they don't put the criteria out. Love or in the real criteria
Yeah.
should be addressed.
somebody wants education, somebody wants
Yeah.
beauty, somebody wants family background, somebody wants something, compatibility, wavelength.
Yeah.
ये सब criterias है. And when they think, अरे ये fulfill हो रहा तो why not we do arranged marriage that way?
Agree.
Of course, when we are watching it, see, you guys aren't married.
Huh.
The people in the podcast, we only hire bachelors and spinsters or divorced people. So they don't understand what we are talking about. But when you're married, what you're doing makes a lot of sense because we can see what she's saying.
Huh.
In the sense that she's saying something which will make a difference 5 years down the line. When they have an argument over certain traditional things or values or whatever it is. But small things nobody thinks of. Till you're caught and fuss out in a marriage, that's
Yeah.
experience also speaking. 5 years aage, suddenly these become issues. The small issues become big issues. Am I right, Seema?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग और वो तो जरूरी है फॉर अ गुड हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ.
That's
टॉकिंग
right.
अबाउट क्राइटेरिया, ऐसे कोई बहुत वियर्ड या फिर कि कोई फनी तरह का क्राइटेरिया ऐसे कभी आपके पास आया है कुछ कि मेरी ये डिमांड है जो आपको लगी हो काफी
मैंने
यूनिक
पूरी
है?
की है, मैंने
हाँ,
unique
जो
है,
आपने
मैंने पूरी की है.
ओहो, ऐसी कोई स्टोरी?
या वन फैमिली फ्रॉम साउथ.
हाँ. Names, please.
क्या?
Name.
नो सॉरी.
Sorry. Season 3 में है?
नो इट इज माई पर्सनल थिंग.
offline,
मेरा
offline,
पर्सनल
offline,
जो मैंने
offline
वर्क
चीज़.
किया है.
हाँ.
तो दे से मुझे तो ऐसी बहू चाहिए जिसका हेयर साइज इतना होना चाहिए.
Okay.
She should be this height, she should be this color, she should be this weight. It was so difficult and it was a challenge for me.
Yeah.
But I was successful in
मतलब
that.
एक narrow perimeters जैसा 5'3"
Yes.
and 43
yes,
kilos.
इंडिया में अभी भी है. सीमा जी 1 इंच हाइट दिस लड़की की कम है. अभी भी वो
तो क्या करेगा?
अभी भी है.
Bonvita. It's a secret to mine.
It happens. इंडिया में है अभी भी. Not in abroad. इंडिया में है अभी भी.
But you have to cater to those things.
Because they are
हाँ,
coming to me,
exactly.
so I have to help them.
You can't say कि ये गलत सोच है and all that. You can
नहीं,
never say that.
sometimes I have to guide them.
Yeah.
कि देखिए हाइट कम है तो क्या हुआ, रेस्ट ऑल थिंग्स आर वेरी गुड, तो यू मस्ट प्रोसीड. दे अंडरस्टैंड देन. मेरा गाइडेंस भी तो वेरी
Or do
इंपॉर्टेंट
what
है.
all the Indian male actors do who are short, na? They stand on patla in the romantic scene.
Yeah,
You put a patla down, you stand on that, then they embrace the girl or whatever. This is true even in abroad.
Acha,
Short
acha.
actors.
Okay.
I won't take Indian names because we can get sued. But say Sylvester Stallone, Tom Cruise, जो short है, and against them if there's a really tallish girl, they have to do all these things. The camera angle starts from the
I
waist.
say height is not everything.
हाँ.
हाँ.
You see the other things, you see the heart, you see the girl, you see the smartness, वो सब भी तो count होता है ना.
नहीं, सही
Not
बात
only
है. I
height.
think you said it right. I think opinion that you can give along with the guidance also matters a lot.
नहीं, मेरा guidance
So,
also
exactly.
people listen and then they change their mind.
What about slightly offbeat requests like I want left-handed partner?
कोई नहीं बोला आज तक. Only you are asking this
I
question.
want a left-handed partner.
No,
यार.
कोई नहीं बोला ये सब.
It's very important, सीमा जी.
Yeah.
In a crisis की एक right hander है, एक left hander है.
नहीं,
गाड़ी
ये सब-
चला सकते दोनों.
Yeah, please. Then you don't marry then. It's okay.
Again, sorry, Aisha.
उस Sunday पे
No.
जब we were sitting in this place eating the
Yeah,
brunch
yeah.
together,
Spicy spoon, yeah.
and she
Yeah.
walked in and my wife said, Seema Tabare, I thought she's joking.
Yeah.
Because rarely for us in our age we feel something for
Yeah.
so-called stars. She walked in, everybody सब upmarket लोग, कम से कम 50 crores का आदमी से कम कोई नहीं था उधर.
हाँ.
Me. All rich people. All got up. You know, the room got a buzz immediately like Amitabh Bachchan had walked in, literally. I mean, I can't think of maybe Shah Rukh, something like that.
हाँ.
She walked in and then everybody turned and everybody was staring at her. And it just tells you that it's another level.
Yeah.
The popularity and the fact that she's alone in the identity of the matchmacher. There's only
It's
one.
an icon. It's a trend. It's a proper trend.
One. There's no second person.
हाँ,
She's not
exactly.
allowed the second person to come out. Is there any? Now must
It's
be.
allowed, but I think God ने नहीं बनाया होगा second person. I'm exclusive.
In Wankhede, instead of shouting Sir Chain, they're shouting Seema now, right now, as we speak. Coming out. Okay, let's talk
On
about season.
21st, I'm flying to US
Okay.
for season 3. And I'm doing many events there in San Jose, Chicago, New York, Austin and New Jersey. I'm doing big events there.
और हम लोग बैंड्रा के ये स्टूडियो में बैठ के काम करेंगे. Nothing changes.
चलिए आप लोग भी
But
चलिए.
हम stories
हम
सुन
क्या
रहे हैं
करेगा?
उनकी.
Come,
मैं तो
come.
शादी भी किया. So what will I do? Hold the bags?
No, not hold. Come on, come with me.
Take
ऐसे
this
क्या है?
young man. We'll find him a nice bride. You can get your green card in what 4 years, 3 years.
It's not very difficult.
वो mention नहीं होता है
वीजा ही नहीं मिल रहा है
Oh,
2 साल
nice.
तक तो अभी. हाँ.
सच में. Yeah. So which season 3? So you're going to now it cross cuts again. India, say England, America. जो
This
भी है.
time it was London and India and USA. Season
Wow.
3.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what traveling you might have to do for one series?
But I love traveling. Myself and my husband are globetrotters. We love traveling.
How
so
is he
much.
with the attention you're getting now?
Behind every successful woman, there is a progressive husband.
हाँ जी. Plus, not to mention successful women. So
No,
calm.
but every step, every way, everything, he helps me a lot. So I'm here at this stage because he's helping me everywhere.
Anup is here in the studio, but the camera, we can't take a chance by moving it, sir, because, low budget and all. So at some point, we'll show a photograph of Anup. Yeah. But that's important because people are always asking the same question. Ki, what about your marriage? Because you're always under the...
Mine marriage is arranged marriage. And in this May, I'll complete 40 years. We'll complete 40 years.
Lovely.
Is zamana mein 40 years is fantastic, just going by the trends around us. We are coming up to 25, my wife and me, in a couple of years. I'm feeling the pressure already.
Why?
कुछ हुआ नहीं 25 साल में same woman, same marriage, same.
No, it's nice. I'm happy.
Repeat. Too much. No, you're right. I think the older you get, the less chance of running away from the spouse. You realize the dependency grows more. Yeah, that's true, no?
Fair.
Don't want to use the words fuss gaya, but it is what it is. Yeah. Season 3, so what were the challenges different from 3 and 2 and
Sorry,
1?
2 and 1, yeah.
I'm not going to disclose. Just 21st is coming very soon. You all have to watch. Season 3 is fantastic.
But I'm just thinking now, as you go to season 3, log jo hai, who are seen on the show for the first time, they are now coming to her as the star. Season 1, it's all a new concept. So they're also giving trouble while talking. She has to really patao them, get into them, whatever. Now it's almost like they'll be really happy to see you, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Desi
Season
community.
3, we have all new characters. And it's a totally different thing. I'm not going to disclose anything. Let's just wait for 10 days, that's all.
Wow.
Lovely.
10 days actually a little less because by the time we aired this, I think maybe 20 seconds.
Acha, that's
Will
why,
there be
but,
season 4 and all? I mean...
Then it's on Netflix.
Yeah.
They have to plan for that. Yeah.
Netflix trouble dega, so you'll move to the next OTT. I told you it's your show. No, platform will come second. Don't worry. We have people. We'll arrange for things.
Okay, thank you.
Now it's your industry. You own the industry.
Yes.
It's a very rare moment when someone is the entire industry is that person. I'm saying let us all make money on this, Seema.
Yes.
Please help us.
Yes.
We can all do something for you.
We'll do it, yeah.
All you have to do is be yourself. Can you imagine? That's it. And your experience and all that is already there. You should just wake up, come to the set, do the talking and ho gaya.
Yeah, you're right.
Do you keep in touch with these guys after their marriage?
Who?
The ones that you have
Your clients.
got together.
Yeah,
clients.
yeah. देखिए जब शादी हो जाती है फिनिश देन दे आर हैप्पी वी आर विथ आवर ओन अदर सेट्स ऑफ पीपल वी आर मैचिंग इट सो वेरी रेयर इट हैपेंस कि जब टच में रहते हैं वो लोग इट्स वेरी रेयर
One criticism I have as a marriage counselor myself कि ये छोटी-छोटी चीज जो है we don't take them seriously. Things like पर्दा open या shut while sleeping. This is many marriages break over these small things and I don't think it's looked at properly.
Why the marriage
I
break?
started wearing my wife's t-shirts after losing little weight and then I couldn't get out of one. So that caused a lot of trouble. But really a huge fight happened. So I'm thinking we should also look at the smaller things, not just about infidelity or वगैरह.
यही बात है ना अगर छोटी चीजें आप देख लो एडजस्ट कर लो एंड
60-40.
60-40 देन नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे ही नहीं आप यहाँ कर रहे हो कि नहीं एडजस्ट इस एनवायरनमेंट में एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ मैं
हाँ क्योंकि
वी डू एवरीवेयर ना तो व्हाई नॉट इन
यहाँ पे करना
अवर घर
पड़ता है
में
because they're all youngsters यार.
करना पड़ता है
हाँ.
वहाँ क्यों नहीं करना पड़ता है फिर
I was hoping she'd be more disciplined by now. But
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चलता है
23 years.
यू हैव टू तो आपके कोई प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी नहीं आपको
Yeah. You think arranged marriage has become back in fashion?
I think it is 60-40 I think so but after the show now people are again coming back to arranged marriage इंडिया में तो अपना है ही पहले से अरेंज मैरिज बट आफ्टर द शो नो मोर पीपल आर आई मीन दे वांट्स अरेंज मैरिज
Yeah. Also, they feel it's a interesting concept. Before they were feeling नहीं करना है.
बिकॉज बिफोर व्हाट यंगस्टर्स वर थिंकिंग अरेंज मैरिज मीन्स चलो करो इसके साथ शादी they thought that is a wrong thing it was a wrong concept now they see अरे criteria मिल रहा है अपने को why not we go and agree and do it that way so now they're saying this is better
The data is out there that those who have love marriages 20 years later all wish they had arranged marriages. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Now
it's
they're
not
thinking
the
arranged
same
marriage.
for the other side. Yeah.
देखिए frankly speaking love marriage में सिर्फ love दिखता है that's all they don't see any other thing. In arranged marriage, many things are, I mean, we can see many things, the family background, the finance, the many things you can see in that. So what
and
difference?
small things like hairy.
Yeah.
अगर सब लोग hairy है परिवार में, then we feel more comfortable.
Yeah.
If only one side is hairy and one side is hairless, it can be an issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, these small things.
This is the difference between
Simaji, I'm
both.
going to contribute to the show for season 4. I'm going to bring up the small things. No one wants to talk about small things. They only want to talk about the big problems that we have. Okay, back to season 3. So it releases now. And at the end of it, do you ever go back to season 1 and 2 and look at what happened there?
No.
Do
हो
you-
गया जो हो गया. Past is past.
Yeah, plus years have passed.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now season 3, season 4 and many things will come, so we don't see at the past.
Okay. Before we go to the AMAs, young man, you're only 23 years old.
Yes.
Anything you want to ask Seemaji while she's here?
I think it's the entire idea of matchmaking. मेरा question आपसे सिर्फ एक होना था कि how did you like this entire concept that you want to be a matchmaker and that initial success which you would be needing to kind of that boost that you need to kind of okay, this is something I can do. Was there anything like that? Was there a point like that where you felt like okay, now this is something I can do properly before the show happened and because you've been doing
2005 की बात
matchmaking
है
since
when you
2005
started
exactly.
as a
वो entire because you were getting into a thing which obviously as you said कि ये बहुत सालों से चलता आ रहा है but you're still getting into it as a professional thing
और
and
ये follow-up
it is a
question है
step.
इसमें
हाँ.
कि do you think that because of you and you alone, people want to do your job?
Exactly. Now maybe is this a profession that maybe people would be wanting to follow because क्योंकि आपने जब ये चीज करी है after the show as well आपको लगता है ऐसा कुछ है?
See, I had a unique ability to talk to people, to connect them, to understand their personalities. I am a full social कीड़ा. I tell you. I love socializing, talking to people.
हाँ.
चाहे airport में रहो, flight में रहो, कहीं भी रहो. I go and start conversing with them. So when these qualities I had, then my family, my husband and all, they said, why can't you be a matchmaker?
हाँ.
Because in our community, this is very important. कोई रिश्ता नहीं बताता है आपस में. And also few gents brokers are there, but all झूठ मूठ. Means मेरा काम ऐसा नहीं. My goodwill is जो fact है वो बताना. Because why people come to me? No, सीमा जी ने ये बोला है तो ये right है.
हाँ.
Because I am from an industrialist family and पूरा, I mean, everybody knows me. I cannot do that. I think like my son and daughter and I work. तो जो fact है इसका घर का ये है. आप इस पे जाओ नहीं जाओ. सही बात I tell everybody.
Okay.
That's the thing. So I started this in 2005. And after that, लोग आने लगे मेरे पास क्योंकि बोले नहीं सीमा जी जो बताती है वो सही होता है. Then I started. बीच में एक दो बार I was little bit depressed. I said नहीं मुझे बंद करना है काम.
क्यों?
बस I thought नहीं कहीं सक्सेस नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Because this is nothing is in my hand.
Of course.
जहाँ लिखा होता है वही it happens. I cannot tell कि अरे मैं सबका मैच करा दूंगी. I cannot tell that.
हाँ.
So बीच में थोड़ा मैं ये हो गई थी तो then Anup said नहीं you have all these qualities. You have to continue this thing. So इनके फिर कहने से then again I started it. And after that, after the show, now सबको easy लग रहा है. But this is not an easy task.
Yeah.
Many
this is not
people
an
को
easy
easy
job.
लग रहा है अरे हम भी मैच मेकर बन जाए. बहुत बन भी गए काफी लोग.
हाँ.
तो इट इज देयर पर्सनल थिंग.
और ये लॉन्ग प्रोसेस है इस पर.
हाँ,
2
ये
सेकंड में
ऐसे
नहीं हो
एकदम
पाएगा.
नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah, so I think mentioned patience right at the top. Seema ji mentioned that word. It's very important to keep listening because your own thoughts may change also. आपके एक blueprint है और उसके बाद you've modeled it a little, evolved it a little, and then finally you come to the conclusion X is
People
good for
don't
Y.
have patience.
हाँ.
थोड़ा भी नहीं हुआ तो सीमा जी व्हाट इज दिस. अरे
अभी 2 हफ्ते हो गए. Where's my wife?
यस सही बात है. क्या हुआ सीमा जी? अरे मैं बोले जादू नहीं है भैया.
समय
योर
लगेगा.
डेस्टिनी व्हेन इट हैपेंस इट विल हैपन.
Yeah.
ऐसे थोड़ी इट्स इन माय हैंड.
That must be the most recurring question.
Exactly.
कहाँ है?
कहाँ हो क्यों नहीं रहा?
एकदम पेशेंस नहीं है. सीमा जी को दे दिया इट मींस चलो हमको तो 2 हफ्ते में चाहिए.
People think it's a mall. You have to go to the mall and you
हाँ.
choose and you come back out in the bag and it's done.
Yeah.
हो गया.
Yeah, that way.
Yeah. Amazing. But what a fantastic story, Seema. Really, it's amazing. Of course, I'm saying Seema now. Seema ji to gaya. We are all friends. That's affection, not lack of respect. Huh?
Yeah.
But we have AMAs because we've got so many people who want to ask you questions. Unfortunately, only 1 hour or less is our time. So here are some of the questions.
So we have a little community of ours, all the listeners that we have. They all love you. They all love the show, and they all have sent in some questions.
Even
that
I love you everybody. I love you all.
Seema loves you all. You all should be happy today. So the first question it comes from a person. His name is Bruce. Question is, Seema ji, firstly, thanks for keeping it real on the show and making us laugh. You have been in the business for many years. What trends have you seen in clients using caste, religion, and dowry as a criterion for marriage over the years?
There is no dowry actually nowadays.
Okay.
They want अपना बराबर का रिश्ता. That way it is there. In India, I'm telling. Abroad में तो ठीक है, but in India, like what is my family status? They want some same status रिश्ता.
Yeah.
That the marriage and all, everybody wants a good wedding nowadays. So that is the thing. Dowry का तो system उठ गया है.
Okay.
Nobody wants money.
हाँ.
Because मेरे पास पैसा कम है क्या? मेरे पास है.
हाँ.
Why will I take other
Person's money.
Money that
हाँ.
way. So dowry का system तो चला गया.
ठीक है.
And about the criteria, I tell them it's like ordering from a menu. तुमको ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, तो आप वो मत सोचो.
हाँ.
आप ये देखो चेकलिस्ट में if 60% you are getting,
हाँ.
you should proceed that way.
कभी-कभी
And they
ऐसा
understand.
कभी हुआ कि 100% आ गया. Every single
कोई को भी मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी, बड़े मल्टी मिलियनर्स को भी 100% नहीं मिला है.
90 तक कोई 90
मिला
तक-
होगा, I don't know, but I tell them you be happy with 60-70.
60 is a good score.
60 is a
Yes.
good 60-40 is a good ratio that
Yeah.
60 is a
got to
great
know
score.
about.
Which human being, male, female,
Yeah.
whatever, you have 60% commonality. or-
Exactly.
बस,
It's
वो
very
देखिए
tough.
आप.
Can I
ठीक
be
है.
honest? Pers, ours is 20%. Yours is not.
Agreed. That's why you're not married.
Yeah.
The next question comes in from Rohit Atre. The question is, after the success of the Netflix show, has anyone from the Western community, non-Indian Asian, approached to you for matchmaking? Is there any story of that sorts?
My God.
So many?
Whole world has been flooded. So many biodatas. 5,000 biodatas I received after season 1.
Huh.
But I am doing for very few of them because I cannot take everybody's. So
Yeah.
I'm doing choose and pick and I'm working for them.
Okay.
Wow.
Perfect.
But you look at all 5,000?
My office looks, then I shortlist with them. कि कुछ लेना है नहीं लेना है वैसे.
Now, the next one is from Sameer. This can be a subjective question, but is there any golden piece of advice that you would give to a particular couple to make their marriage work or anything like? Is there any Seema Taparia advice out there? Or do you think it's all
Yes.
dependent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My advice to the couple is because now everybody is working nowadays.
Yeah.
So they have to balance their professional life and their individual life. That's very important.
Yeah.
And giving and the values of give and take, sharing and caring. This is very important. If you have these values and if you keep these values intact, then you will have a very good married life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, it's try and spend less time with your spouse. I feel over a long period of time, वो भी reverse marginal utility of the product will help. ये मेरा thinking अलग है.
नहीं,
Your
आपका
advice
गलत है
is
thinking.
not-
गलत है. Okay, cancel. Order cancelled. हाँ.
Okay. Next one comes in from Shavik Bakchi. The question is, all the families on the show come from well-to-do families. Can we have a middle-class edition as it will have more masala and unintentional comedy?
Why in season 1 Vyasar was there, he was
हाँ.
middle class.
Okay.
So middle class also comes, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
ऐसे तो कोई fixed
Fixed नहीं है.
premium customer
See,
की कोई बात नहीं है इसमें.
No, my clients we give to Netflix and then from that they choose, they scan, they filter and then they take.
Okay.
So it's on Netflix.
So let's understand the
Yeah.
talent pool is coming from her and not coming from Netflix. Some people
Yeah.
think that they are going and finding people.
हाँ मैं देती हूँ, then they choose from that because they have to not be camera shy.
हाँ.
उसका कई उनके norms है, so
हाँ.
then
और
they
कम से
finalize
कम
them.
4 फुट 8 इंच होना पड़ेगा because otherwise you can't see them.
Yeah, agreed. Okay, the last one comes in from Ramanathan. The question is, have you attended any fun/celeb weddings and have guests ever asked you for help when it comes to this on your off days? Or is there any off day for Seema
No,
Taparia?
sorry. I have to be little clear. I have
Yeah,
not
yeah.
attended any celeb weddings.
Okay.
And now हो सकता है people may call me.
हाँ.
Because now the whole world knows me and they are loving and respecting me.
Huh.
So I might get any invitation from the celeb weddings.
Okay. And the second part of the question, is there any off day for Seema Taparia? Or are you always working?
You all work for 24 hours.
Yeah.
I work for 25 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that one extra?
I am giving the interview talking and my mind is working. Means मेरा काम चलता ही
Because
रहता है.
इतना बकवास interviewer है ना, so she can in the meantime sort out some
She's
relationships
just
on the
figuring
side.
out the couples. हाँ, ठीक है, चलो इसके बारे में
Anyway,
सोच लेते
चलता
हैं.
रहता है. मेरा काम चलता
ध्यान
रहता है.
नहीं चाहिए इसमें.
No, not
Fair
like
enough.
this.
So the clients are there in
It's
your
very
head all the
interesting
time.
interview and really I'm enjoying it. ऐसा बात नहीं है.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And
See,
that was
my
the
work
only-
goes on.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Anyway, just want to say as we wind up here,
Yeah.
Seema, it's a great honor for us to have you. Whole entire IVM podcast are very honored to have you here.
Thank
You're a
you.
pathbreaker and a pioneer. I think over the years, people will realize what you have done. You have broken through. You know, it's very rare to get someone
Cyrus,
like
It's
and
a-
thank you for getting me here. I'm very much honored.
Yeah.
And
Thank
I
you
was
so
very
much for being
excited to be here with you all.
Seema Taparia, it's on April 21st, 22nd in India, and it's the third season of Indian Matchmaker.
21st in India.
21st in India?
Yeah.
21st in India, okay. So check it out, and there'll be many more seasons to come. The one and only Seema Taparia.
Thank you, Cyrus.
Thank you so much.